A dazzling comet heading towards Earth that could be brighter than any star in the night sky. It was first discovered in 2023 when it was quite far from our planet. About 7.3 times the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Although it was too faint to see with the naked eye at first. The comet is now getting closer to us, and there's a good chance it will be the brightest comet we've seen in a long time. Astronomers found this comet using a robotic system called Atlas in South Africa. Atlas was designed to detect asteroids that could potentially hit Earth, but it also spotted this comet. Later, astronomers in China and California confirmed that it was indeed a comet, not an asteroid. The comet was named C2023A3 Suchashan Atlas, following the naming convention for comets. Based on its trajectory, the comet is believed to have an orbital period of about 80,000 years, and it's currently located between Jupiter and Saturn. It's moving incredibly fast relative to Earth, about 290,644 kilometers per hour. The comet was discovered when it was about 1.1 billion kilometers away from Earth, but on September 27, 2024. It will get much closer to the Sun, coming within 58 million kilometers of it. This change in distance will cause the comet to become much brighter. Afterward, it will come relatively close to our planet on October 13, 2024. The big question is whether the comet will live up to our expectations or not. This depends on several factors like its orbit, position relative to Earth and the Sun, and its chemical composition. The comet originates from the Oort cloud, a region of space debris far away from the Sun. If recent calculations are correct, the comet is likely a long-term visitor to our solar system. And any highly volatile materials on its surface would have already been shed. Comets can sometimes surprise us, as seen with previous comets like Hale-Bopp and McNaught, which put on stunning displays. Currently, Comet A3 is very faint and can only be seen with large telescopes. But if it behaves as expected, it should become visible through small telescopes in the early summer of 2024 and possibly visible to the naked eye or binoculars by late September of that year. In October 2024, the comet will pass very close to the Sun from Earth's perspective, disappearing from sight. Assuming it survives this close encounter, it should reappear in the northern hemisphere sky after October 11th or 12th, becoming visible after sunset and gradually moving higher in the sky each evening. It's hard to predict exactly how bright it will be, but it has the potential to outshine most stars in the night sky. Predicting comet behavior is challenging, so we'll have to wait and observe as this celestial visitor gets closer to our planet.